Hi everyone, Amber here with Paris Wigs and Extensions, and today I am modeling a cute little bob style called Haute by Jon Renau. This is color number 4, but she is available in many other colors at our store. If you want to come try her on and see if you like this style, we can fit you for the right color, get you close to your natural if you'd like. So I will show you the 2 natural features that this wig has in just a second. I'll show you the inside of the cap. Alrighty, so this is the inside of Haute. As you can see, she is a partial monofilament top. So right here is going to be hand sewn, and it's going to look like it's growing right out of your scalp. So if you part her right here above that, she's going to look just like a natural scalp, like it's growing right out of your head. She also has the lace front to give it that same effect. And the rest of her is machine made. She has adjustable straps right here, so you can tighten it if you have a smaller size head, and bendable velvet ear tabs to bend in, which is a helpful little thing for people that wear glasses. This has been Haute by Jon Renau. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions for videos you'd like to see, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and it's great to have suggestions, so I post things that you guys want to see. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great hair day.